folks, this is Matt with Commercial Roofs of Texas. Up here doing an inspection. The customer has a modified bitumen roof on a strip center, so they've got leaks. First thing I want to check for is granule loss from hail, from wind, any kind of storms coming through the area, because what happens is it knocks the granules off, and if you don't have proper drainage, what do you get? You get ponding. So if I can come up here and build a sandcastle out of loose granules, that means it's not draining correctly. Even though there's a drain not more than 5 feet away from it, modified bitumen's not made to be underwater, so if you have a lot of ponding, you'll have a lot of granule loss, and it'll all just pile up like sand on the beach. So that's not good. Give us a call if you have a problem like that.